how to use 1010 app. So if you want to use the 1010 app, then first make sure you have a stable internet connection, and then you need to go with your Play Store or your App Store and install the 1010 application. Once you install the application, you'll get this kind of interface where you just need to simply tap on Let's Go, and then you need to enter your age, go with Continue, and you can sign in with your Google or TikTok, or you can use email. But if you don't have an account, then you can go and create your account. So enter your email and then tap on Send Code, and again tap on Send, and now you'll receive the code to the email. So you just need to simply enter that code, or you will also have a button where you can simply tap to log in. Now you can add a profile picture, or you can skip this part. So simply go with add profile picture, and then you can take a selfie right now, or you can open up your camera roll and add your picture. After that, go with add your name, and then you need to add your name and go with the arrow which is on the bottom right, and you can add your friends, or you can edit your profile. So go with add your friends, so simply allow the notifications, and after that you need to add at least one person, because if you don't have anyone, then you won't be able to use your 1010 application. So simply invite anyone, invite a friend. Once you've invited, now your friend should accept your friend request, and once you've added, you will get your dashboard or the chats from where you can chat, and then you can go with settings, which will be on the upper left, and from here you will have your profile. You can edit your profile, or you can simply go with power moves. If you tap on power moves, so it will take you to the Instagram or the TikTok page, or you can go with legal stuff or send feedback, or you can change the language on the application, and you will also have the danger zone. So from here you can simply choose your settings, and once you have your friends, you'll be able to use your 1010 app or chat with them. So that's how you can use your 1010 app. Pretty easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.